Hello, everyone. A question I get asked from time to time about my YouTube channel relates to using copyrighted music. And how do I get away with putting copyrighted music in a lot of my videos? I really wish I could say there was a simple answer. Just go do X, Y, Z, and you can find music and put it on your YouTube videos and have no problems. But unfortunately, YouTube is extremely inconsistent when it comes to their music policies. What I wish I could say is go to youtube.com/music policies and go search for a song you'd like to use and see what the policy is. And if it works, great. If not, don't use it. Find a different song. So let's see how that works out. What if I wanted to use Quiet Riot's Come On Feel the Noise? So I would say just go to this site, search for the song you want, check the policy here. It says, oh, great, viewable worldwide, ads can appear. I understand that, no big deal. I'm not going to be able to monetize the song, but anybody in the world should be able to watch my video. Great. So let's go take a look at when I used that song in my video. Okay, so I used that song in the video called Feel the Noise. Includes copyrighted content. Let's check the copyright claim. Looks good. Viewing restrictions are none. I can't monetize the video, which makes complete sense. This is the song I'm using. Everything looks great. This video I created and uploaded January 22nd, 2018. All right, let's go back and look at my other videos. I attempted to use that exact same song in a more recent video. I thought I would be lazy, just pick a song I knew worked, not go through all the hassle. And in this video, I tried to use that same song. And this was on June 9th, 2018. YouTube says it is blocked in one country. It is blocked in the United States, which happens to be where my largest audience is, so I didn't feel like I could use that. And that is for the exact same song, Come On Feel the Noise by Quiet Riot. Blocked in some countries, blocked in the United States. So why do I have a video with that song and it's fine, I can use it? Why does YouTube's music policy webpage say it's fine, I can use that? But if I use that song again, now it says it's blocked. Okay, let's go look at my other recent videos, find another inconsistency. So in this video, Electric Blue, I use the song Electric Blue. And according to YouTube, for some reason they match the song We Can Get Together by The Flowers, which is kind of confusing, but it's great because there's no viewing restrictions on that song. So, okay, I don't know how they got the song wrong, but works in my favor, no problem. And one more example. Oh, let's say I wanted to use Tom Petty's song Learning to Fly. So I'd go to the YouTube Music Policies page, search for Learning to Fly right here by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. This song is not available for use in YouTube videos. If you use this song, your video may be blocked or muted. Well, that's terrible. I wouldn't want to use that song then. I might as well find something else. Well, let's say I did try to use that song. What would happen? Well, I did just that. And in a video I have called Best Lyrics Ever, I used Tom Petty's song Learning to Fly. And YouTube said, yep, you were using the song Learning to Fly by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Viewing restrictions, none. Go ahead and use it, no problem. You can't monetize it. Well, isn't that strange? So, okay, YouTube, what's going on here? Why are your music policies so inconsistent? It would be great if I could go to the music policies website, search for a song, and know for sure that it's going to work. or know for sure that it's not going to work. So if any of you out there would like to figure out how to use copyrighted music in your YouTube videos, I only have one suggestion for you. Make a really short video. Just grab the song you want, make a video of a minute or two long, toss the song in there, don't worry about editing or doing anything fancy, upload that video to YouTube as a private video, and preferably put it on a totally different YouTube account just in case anything happens. Upload it, let YouTube check that song, check the copyright, and see what happens. That's the only way I've been able to figure out consistently, is just give it a try and see how it works. YouTube, if you could explain this, I would love to hear it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.